Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yetune and today I will be showing you guys how I do this makeup look. This is basically my everyday go-to makeup for work, and it takes me about, I want to say, 10-15 minutes to do it. And yeah, so let me know what you think. If you want to find out what I use and how I got this, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my Becca primer. It's almost finished. I've had this for like how many months? It actually lasts you a long time. It should, considering it costs like $40. So we're gonna start with that. I already moisturized my face and everything. I always start on my nose. I just recently started doing my eyebrows again. I don't usually do it because I'm just like, nobody has time for that. And I don't go crazy. I just take, this is basically a lip liner, and I take that and just fill in the ends, because the ends are like my main problem, considering, like, I don't know, it just stings out really bad over there. Once that's done, I go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color 334. I usually mix it with the shade before this, but then I don't know, it gets way too dark even afterwards that I just don't like it. So I pump it twice. I like super full coverage, so I don't care. And then to just like clean off the eyebrows. The struggle of finding my shade is like ridiculous. My foundation shade, and I've tried so many, and at this point I've been using this one for so long that I'm like scared to switch it, because I'm scared I'm gonna start breaking out really badly again, because my face stopped. Now I have like these two that popped up and one more over here, so I just don't want to risk it. And I've done the whole like foundation match thing at Sephora. It didn't work, so it's a struggle, because my face and my neck, like the front of my body, is like lighter than the rest of my body for some reason. So I don't know. Alright, once that's done, I go in with this. This is not something I do all the time. It's just like whenever I feel like it, I'll do it, kind of thing. So it's the Maybelline Concealer, this one, in the color 30 Honey Meow, I guess. And I just go in like, go back in with my beauty blender and just blend. Now I go in with my setting powder. So this is a different foundation powder in here. So I put this sachet powder, it's like the yellow rice powder, in here, and I just use that to set my face. I need to get a new one. Going with the brush a little bit, and start blending. And mind you, it takes me like maybe 20 to 30 minutes to do my makeup in the morning. 20 minutes basically, because so I wake up at like 6. I just need to be out of my house by like 7:15. So shower, makeup. I save time on hair now because now I do it the night before. When I used to wear my wigs, I would have to also do it the night before, or if I was too lazy, I'd be rushing doing it in the morning. It was not fun. So the mascara I am using is the CoverGirl Super Sizer Fibers. Yeah, so that's the one I've been using. It's basically almost out now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna contour a little bit. I'm very extra with my makeup, so I'm gonna contour with this. I got this thing from like the makeup section in TJ Maxx. It's the RK by Kiss 3D contour palette. So it comes looking like this. The one I usually use is Finished, which is, I don't know, I used to use this to like do my under eye, and that's finished. So that's when I started using the other one. And then I contour with this color right here. I don't know what color it is, so it's like the one that's like chocolate without being ashy. And the one thing I always have to have is my highlighter. So the highlighter that I use is actually from a Nigerian brand, and my friend is actually going to be coming out with, my friend Oyinda, who I did the other makeup video with. I think she's actually planning on coming out with some, so I'm not going to tell you guys actually. And then if I feel it's a little much, I'll take the same beauty blender I did my foundation with and just pat it a little bit just to cool it. And this whole process with my hair and everything is, so far it's 29 minutes right now. So I've done my hair and my makeup in 30 minutes. So, and then I like to just put a little on my nose. And depending if I feel like doing the most, I'll put on like lipstick or something, but I don't think I want to wear lipstick today. Sometimes I like putting on like lipstick and then wiping it off just to have that stain on it. So I might just do that. So this is the Lip VIP Semi-Matte Lipstick by Slick. And it's this color right here. I like nude, dark nude type of colors. Okay, super oily, so I'm just going to use a tissue. And this is my look for the day. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you enjoy this, please let me know. If you want, I'm probably going to do more hairstyle videos, but let me know what you think of the makeup and the hair. Let me know if you're going to try it, if you think it's nice, or if it just looks stupid. But I mean, I've got some good compliments on it. I kind of feel like the girl from Sabrina, the new Sabrina Adventure movies that's on Netflix. I'm gonna put a picture like right there so you guys can see what I'm talking about. She has this hair color and she does finger waves with her hair all the time, and I think it looks fabulous. So until I'm able to actually achieve that, this is going to have to work. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me that thumbs up button if you actually liked it. If not, please let me know why in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.